Infinite talagang lahat ng incentives binibigay sa mga members.
It's nice to be back in Balisin. So at least not my first time coming here. And siguro mga 5th time na. And nakakatuwa lang. Babalik ka dun sa isang lugar na, ayan, another set of people yung makakasama mo.
Tita Mila, anong masasabi niyo sa experience nandito?
Parang bumalik ako sa pagkabata ko.
Such a good feeling that, you know, the company that you are with supports you. Everything that you will experience here, you'll experience it for free.
Everyone at Infinite always call me Doc Odi. Okay. I'm now in Balisin. Well, this is an incentive from the company, but definitely an experience that you could just put a price tag on it. It's a great experience, and I get to be with the people. That over the past few months, I've established a good working relationship, and they've become friends.
Hi! It's our last day here at Balisin, and before we end this trip, I just want to thank, of course, Infinite, Chairman Willie, Ma'am Obi, Sir Ibay, Ma'am Joanne, for giving us this free travel here in a very exclusive place. And it's so beautiful, everything's so wonderful, the places, wala na kaming, alam mo yung, we don't even know where to post because everything is so grand and so Instagrammable and picturesque. So, sobrang, it's a joy to the eye.
Here in Balisin in Thailand, kasama yung parents namin, and lahat yan naging makatotohanan through the grace of God, and of course for giving us Infinite. Kanya naman lahat galing itong mga pagpapala na to.